Joining us for more details on that. Vidya, she's already headed towards the governor's office. Take us through. You did mention that she's going to be passing through right where you are to reach the governor's office. She's due to meet the governor at 4:30, is it?
She has.
All right, she's already reached the governor's office a little in advance itself. Vidya, can you hear me?
She has reached the governor, and right here you can see, yes, there is a huge barricading that has been put in place right here so that people really do not enter towards the gate. But as you can see, the escort vehicle along with the vehicle in which Kangana was travelling, they are both inside the Raj Bhavan premises, and from here she will be going ahead to meet the governor in some time. So it's right here that you can see there's heavy police barricading right in place, and here you can see that hardly any movement of media personnel is allowed beyond these barricades right here. But yes, she is here. Kangana is here. Finally, after seeking an appointment here, she'll be meeting the governor in some time. She's inside the premises of the building, and in some time, as you can see right here, the vehicle which was supposed to make an entry at the gate was done. And immediately after that, the vehicles have proceeded further. So that's where the Raj Bhavan is located ahead, after the helipads and the other vehicles that are located. And right now, a little ahead is the main Raj Bhavan premises where she will be meeting Governor Koshyari in some time from now.
What do you think is going to be on the agenda now while she speaks with Governor Koshyari? What's going to be really the conversation? Of course, about the demolition that took place. But if you can tell us, we understand that Governor has already asked the Maharashtra government to compensate Kangana for the losses. So clearly the Governor is on Kangana's side, is it here?
Well, it certainly does seem like. In fact, remember, Ashish Shelar, the BJP leader, has already met the governor last evening, and within this meeting, it was very clearly discussed not just the issue with regards to Madan Sharma, the veteran naval officer who had been beaten up by Shiv Sena goons, and that case has been already registered, but they were on bail. So along with those veterans union, Ashish Shelar has already met and apprised the governor about the kind of things that are happening, the lawlessness that is happening in Maharashtra, as the BJP has been putting it, and the governor has already been apprised about it. So certainly it is, the Kangana's visit has to be seen in that light, to see to it that the kind of message that the BJP is trying to put across about lawlessness in Maharashtra is, Kangana's visit is also something that is needed to be added on to that BJP's narration that is happening about the state right now.
Right, Vidya, we understand that Kangana was all set to meet with Governor Koshyari at 4:30. She's met him, in fact, she's reached his office 20 minutes prior. She's much earlier to her scheduled time. And she's all set to leave Mumbai also on 14th. That's tomorrow. So is she trying to speed up the process here? Does it look like?
Well, Kangana has, she does have a scheduled visit out of Mumbai soon. So certainly she will be leaving. But remember, meet with Governor Koshyari is on the lines of what, the lawlessness issue that the BJP has been raising. In fact, the BJP has been going ahead along with, as we heard, the veteran naval officers go ahead and speak about how there should be governance rule in Maharashtra because of the lawlessness in the state. So these kind of visits by Kangana now too should be seen in that light, because this is according to, as you also mentioned, that governor is already on the side of Kangana. So at this moment, as she's seeking compensation for all the demolition, as she says, has been illegally done by the BMC. So all those things put together is being discussed right here with the governor in some time. You know, it will certainly take a few minutes, because 4:30, if it is the appointment time, then by that time certainly is the only time when Kangana will be meeting the governor. But at this point, as you can see, the Kangana and her entire cavalcade with escort and all those people are already inside. They're inside. They'll be meeting governor in some time from now, which is a scheduled appointment at 4:30. There's few minutes to go, and Kangana will certainly, after meeting the governor, will travel back on this very road to leave the premises of Raj Bhavan.
Right, Vidya, thank you very much. Kangana Ranaut there, all set to meet with Governor Koshyari. She's just landed at his office. These are live visuals where Kangana has just entered. Just moments from now, she will be appraising the governor of all the details. In fact, she fears the Shiv Sena. She says time and again that she's received threats from the Sena leaders, which is why she was accorded Y+ security as well. She arrived into Mumbai on September 9th and now is all set to leave Mumbai tomorrow. Amid this, amid her arrival, the PMC there, not waiting any further, demolished her office, citing irregularities, violations in the construction. Kangana there furious, seeking some help from the governor of Maharashtra, who's already now announced and or rather appealed to the government of Maharashtra to compensate her for demolishing her office without proper notice.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.